Solar Xpress are a proud sponsor of Pontefract Collieries Football Club. The weather is a fantastic day for us today, as you can see. We are installing 70 kilowatts of solar PV at Canadian Solar at 455 and 70 kilowatt hour of SolaX battery storage. So by reducing the energy costs, the club can utilise that money by investing into the youth, the next generation for the club, and building a better community together in Pontefract Collieries. The club used the Green Initiative by Northern Power to enable them to reduce their energy costs, allowing them to utilise those funds elsewhere, like grassroots for one. Access to grants can be obtained pretty easy, but if you are a sports foundation and you are looking to try and see how you can reduce your energy costs, give us a shout at Solar Xpress and see what we can do for your club, your community.